how to set up Google Authenticator on ByBit. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you can have a Google two-way authenticator over here, as you can see, which is what we're seeing right now. So actually, to be able to reach this point, because in this point, all you need to do next is to simply copy your URL over here or your QR code and use it on your Google Authenticator over here, where you could simply scan your QR code or enter a setup key. But how do we get to this point? So basically what you're going to do is you're on your home page over here. This is what you're going to see first. What we're going to do is we're going to open our profile over here on the top right. And in this page, we will be able to see here, we're going to select our profile, or like our profile over here on the top right. It should be over here. Click on your account over here. There's an account option over here. And click on security. And over here, you can find Google two-factor authentication. Simply click on settings and begin your process. You will be receiving a security verification on your email. So simply enter the necessary information and you will be able to see the same screen that we saw earlier. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.